Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up Facebook pixel in your WordPress website. In this video I will show you step-by-step guide so that you can install your Facebook pixel in your WordPress website and see who visit your website and signing off or buying. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you if your Facebook pixel is working correctly or not. So before we install Facebook pixel, let's understand what is Facebook pixel. Now, what is Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is a code which track who visits your site and who is purchasing on your website and what is the lead that doing in your website is tracked by Facebook pixel. You can track your ad results using Facebook pixel and you can target or retarget the people that have recently purchased or signing off on your website, and any kind of interaction they have done with your website, you can retarget the people using Facebook pixel. Okay, now this is the whole work of Facebook pixel. Now I am going to show you how you can set up Facebook pixel on a WordPress site. Now this is the website or landing page where I am going to set up Facebook pixel. Now to check Facebook pixel is installed on your site or not, you have to install extension which is Meta Pixel Helper. You can install it from Chrome Web Store. Now click here, search here Pixel Helper. Now this was the plugin that this was the extension that you have to install. I have already installed. You can install it from there. Now as you can see, there is no pixel is installed in this website. To install pixel, you have to copy the code of the pixel. To copy the code, you have to open your ads manager. This is the ads manager dashboard. Now click on all tools. Now click on business settings. Now in the business settings, click on data source and click here datasets. Now there is a test pixel that I have created and I have to copy the code of this test pixel. So click on this three dot and click on open in event manager. In event manager, you can see there is a setup meta pixel. Now click here. Now click on install code manually. And here's the code. Now copy the code. Now you have to go to your dashboard. Now to install Facebook pixel, we have to install a plugin which is Header Code Manager. Now click on plugins. Click on add new. Search here Header Code Manager. Header Code. Now this is the plugin by DraftPress. Click on install now and click on activate. Now here's the option which is HFCM. Now click there. Click on add new script snippet. Give the name pixel, HTML, site wide, location header. Now paste the code that we have copied. This is the Facebook pixel code that we have copied. Now click on save. Now we can see we have successfully installed the pixel. Now our next step is to set up an event on the website or landing page. To set up the event, we have go back to our event manager. So go back to the event manager. Now click on settings. We are going to use event setup tool to set up the event. Now scroll down. Now click on open event setup tool. Now you have to paste the URL of the page where we want to set up the event. Click copy this URL and paste it there. Click on add event. Now wait. Now here's the event setup tool. Now there is two options. The first one is track new button and the second one is track a URL. If you want to track any specific button and if you want to track a user is clicking on the button or not, then you can use the track new button option. And if you want to track the URL of the site, then you can use the track URL option. Now in this case, my lead will be filling this detail and go to the thank you page. So I'm going to track the URL. So let's fill the data. Now this is a thank you page where my lead will become. Now I want to track this URL. So click on track URL. Select this on lead because my objective is lead. Now click on option URL contains. Now I don't want to include any value, so click on confirm. Now my event has been set up. Now click on finish setup. Click on finish, yes, and submit. Refresh the page. Now again fill the data. Okay, as you can see, here's the lead event has been set up. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.